How do we say I in Somali? Aniga. Question 2. How do we say you in Somali? Adiga. Question 3. How do we say he in Somali? Isega. Question 4. How do we say she in Somali? Ayaga. Question 5. How do we say they in Somali? Ayaga. Question 6. How do we say we in Somali? Anega.